What's up, guys? So a couple weeks later, we got a little extra progress on the car. I figured why not update you on this. I really haven't filmed a lot of the teardown because, to be honest, I'd rather focus more on putting it together, showing you guys that stuff. What we have done so far, of course, we still have our block in here. We have some of the transmission bolts out from the top, so then it will be much easier to pull from the bottom. We stripped pretty much every single connection to the wire harness. We pulled the wire harness itself. It is mil-spec too, so it was pretty easy to do. We pulled all the accessories, AC compressor that was here, the power steering, just pulled it from the block, just to not cause a whole mess here. As for today, we are getting the prop valve out, the master cylinder out, and the brake booster, because we are actually sending out this brake booster to Drift Motion to get it rebuilt. Because to be honest, we're already in here and we have tons of space to work compared to the usual, so why not take advantage and do this, right? So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. And I also got to get this intercooler pipe out because I want to send things out to powder coat. As for other things, yeah, have not mentioned, but we have decided to just say screw it and get into AC restoration. I bought all the lines. I have to buy O-rings now from the dealership because I didn't want to use like the standard Four Seasons kit or whatever. But yeah, this is turned way deeper than just a motor. And it's a lot of headache, but you know what, it's gonna drive like anything but a headache when it comes back. So it's time to get down to business, start working on that brake booster. I really wasn't looking to strip things to this extent, but you know what, it's what it calls for. It really is, and the car is gonna drive way better this way. This connects to, yeah, I need a picture of this. That's a big thing, guys. When you're taking things apart to this extent, you really might want to take pictures and videos. That's it. Now we can start unbolting this, and actually we should go ahead and drain fluid from the clutch master too, because we are going twin disc. We no longer need that OEM Eisen clutch master, which I know they discontinued it. If somebody does need it, definitely hit me up. Master's ready to come out. Damn, that brake fluid's hot. Just because it's hot as balls outside. You know what, now that we're making a mess, let's loosen this clutch this clutch line. Because I know for a fact we don't need that anymore. Okay guys, so as for the rest of this job, we're gonna be in the footwells getting the bolts. Let me see if I can light it up. So we had to take off this whole part here to get underneath in there. Your clutch master, it's gonna be closer to the driver's side. It's like the end of the firewall. Your brake master will be like kind of above the steering column. They're 12 mils underneath. 2 for the clutch master, 4 for the brake master, and you're done. I cannot film this, so yeah. Oh, damn. We gotta get the moment. There we go. Don't forget to undo the clevis on this thing, and it should come out. So yeah, finally it's out. Gonna have to redo this gasket when we get our upgraded master, or put the same master back in. Sending this off to Drift Motion, and it should be fully rebuilt like factory once we get it back. What up, guys? Future Kevin here. If you made it up until this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I know this one was a very short and sweet build update. Not a whole lot going on, but I do want to come in and let you guys know that things are moving along quite nicely with the Supra, although it doesn't necessarily look like it since I have not been posting. But I have quite a few clips and videos to get to, both Supra and non-Supra related, that I have to get around to editing to post for you guys. My apologies on the backlog for the content. I've just had a whole lot going on behind the scenes over the past few months, and I had to take some time to get myself right as well. Now, with that being said, we are ready to come back and get this year started out right, and you guys are going to be seeing a lot of content relating to, of course, the Project Supra, since that has the most major developments happening at the moment. You guys are going to be seeing some of the SC as well again, and of course a lot more stuff outside of the project cars. In reality, 6 Streets was never supposed to be only about the project cars. It is just what has been easiest to generate content with for the time being. So I'm really excited for what's coming. If you like what you see, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like fast street cars, this is where it's at. I'll see you in the next video.